Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean and this is Side Hustle Inspiration. Thank you for watching. Today I want to talk a little bit about what exactly a digital nomad is. A lot of working class people have the desire to make the healthy change from employee to entrepreneur, but they don't quite understand what a digital nomad is. So I'm going to break it down to you, and I'm going to try not to be too long with this video, what a digital nomad is. A digital nomad is an everyday person like you and I that has the utmost desire to not get up and follow the corporate rat race of going to work, clocking in, and working with people you probably don't want to look at. Digital nomad is a person who strives to get out of the traditional employee 9-to-5 day job lifestyle and work for themselves full time. That's part of the definition of what a digital nomad is. Furthermore, a digital nomad is a location independent person that relies 100% on the on the internet to generate steady streams of passive income. Digital nomads basically have their internet ready laptops, digital cameras, smartphones, and other devices instantly connected to the internet. They love to get up and go as they please, unconfined to the parallels of an office cubicle or being confined to an employer who is an alleged narcissist, and they work as freelancers online. Now, these digital nomad freelancers, they write content for blogs, they write content for news publications. A few examples: they may write for NerdWallet, they may write for Go Banking Rates, Huffington Post, they may write for Forbes magazine. They may even have their own self-hosted WordPress blogs, and they work whenever they want remotely, and they make money online. This is their career. This is their 100% living. Digital nomads are people who also use their creativity, which is the peculiar thoughts in the back of their minds. They turn that into contextual content. Contextual content meaning an article, a podcast, not a podcast, an article, a blog post, a YouTube video description. Or they may turn it into their peculiar thoughts into a digital ebook, which is downloadable for sale. And they use their thoughts as a means of generating steady streams of passive income. Digital nomads are people who don't see themselves working traditionally for an employer for the next 20 or 30 years, retiring on, let's say, allegedly 25% of their salary. Because, you know, when you retire, whatever you make, whatever your whatever you're earning in that annual salary prior to retirement is virtually hacked in half. So if you're making $100,000 a year close to retirement and you retire at $100,000, then allegedly your retirement check will be half of that, which is $50,000 a year. And then you have to look at the fact that Uncle Sam is going to tax that $50,000 a year. So that $50,000 may be knocked down after taxes to about $35,000 a year. Now, I'm just giving raw numbers. You take that $35,000 and divide it by 12, and that's what your monthly income may be from the job that you just retired from. So think about it. Is working a regular job for the next 20 or 30 years with a college degree for an employer worth it just to earn a can of beans in your retirement check? Or do you believe enough in yourself as an aspiring digital nomad to take that risk and start a side hustle? Think about that. Digital nomads are also people who believe in themselves. They do the transformation business work out of inspiration or desperation. They see the good in negativity, challenging situations in and out of the workplace. They learn to see the good in spiritually negative situations. They have a mind, an eye, a heart for continually going the extra mile, because they don't let anything or anyone bring them down, of feeling less of a person to not pursue entrepreneurship. So digital nomads, mature digital nomads, also understand that they can turn a negative into a positive through visionary thinking, visionary entrepreneurship. And they take it. They take the negativity. They take whatever it is, whether it's being denied a pay raise, whether it's being ranked on before a group of people, whether it's they endure, respect the person, whatever the case is, they take the negative and they turn it into a positive because they see the good out of it. It's actually subliminal motivation to keep going and building their business. That's part of what, how digital nomads, mature digital nomads think. Digital nomads also have a niche eye to see everything around them as a potential money maker. And what do I mean by that? Digital nomads learn to see the hidden money, and the hidden money is right before you, whether it's something to meaningfully talk about in a blog post, whether it's something to capture on camera to upload to a YouTube channel. There is hidden money. Once you totally transition into this digital nomad mindset, there's money literally everywhere. And the money is in, as I mentioned, capturing video, creating content about something you see or think that's meaningful. It could be talking about a good day outside. It could talk about, anything that you want. But you learn to see hidden money where others don't as a digital nomad. So in other words, seeing the hidden money inspires you to keep going the extra mile creating content. Digital nomads are also people who want to meaningfully share their ideology, their views with other people that, hey, you too can do this. I'm gonna, inspire you through my content or maybe through my videos to change the history of your human thought process. And digital nomads are also people who started out very humble. They started out like most people, either broke, unemployed, working paycheck to paycheck, college degree, no college degree. Digital nomads are just everyday people who decided to make the healthy entrepreneurial change and believe in themselves and start a side hustle. Now, you're probably wondering, the question is, can anyone be a digital nomad? The answer is absolutely yes. It's totally your choice, but you have to change your way of thinking. Some of the things that you have to change is you have to change how you view life. You have to change how you, your patterns, how you wake up in the morning. You have to change your patterns in terms of getting organized, setting a set schedule. Okay, if I wake up at such and such time, if I wake up at 4 in the morning, maybe I might go hit the gym and get on a treadmill for 20 minutes so I have a lot of energy to create content. So from 4 until, let's say, 4:30, I'm gonna wake up. I'm gonna do this Monday through Friday. I'm just giving you an example. Digital nomad, I'm gonna get up at 4. I'm gonna pray in the morning, thank the Lord for waking me up today. After morning prayer, head to the gym, maybe 20-30 minutes of cardio. After cardio, come back, take a shower, get dressed, drink some water, clear my mind, not eat any food for an hour, excuse me, because I want to burn extra stored body fat during this 1 hour window frame after doing 20 or 30 minutes of morning cardio. And while the body fat is burning, I'm going to go ahead and get my day started with creating content, whether it's writing content for the blog, whether it's creating a YouTube video. And I'm just saying, you can do this. Blog, post, YouTube video, maybe creating and managing a couple of pay-per-click ad campaigns for a few affiliate links that you want to promote. Plan out your day plan out the rest of your week. Am I going to wake up at 4 in the morning, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? Am I going to do this consistently? Or, whatever the case is, getting organized as a digital nomad is an absolute must, as an unwritten rule. Simply because when you get organized up here and you get more consistent as a digital nomad, creating content for your blog, your website, or your YouTube channel, search engines reward content creators based on their content posting consistency. I myself am guilty of being inconsistent. I'm not talking about anyone else. I'm not trying to throw no subliminal jabs. I'm talking about myself. Examining myself, I have been coming short for quite some time and being inconsistent with posting YouTube videos, with posting content. And even though, yes, I am making money online, my earnings have been slightly taking a hit recently. Now, you, as a digital nomad, you always have the opportunity to rebound. This is not a rat race saying, oh, if I don't make X and X this week, or if I don't achieve these search engine rankings this week, I'm just going to give up. No. There's always a chance to rebound. It's called reshuffling up here. So when you reshuffle, you're getting organized. Like I said, create a schedule. If you're going to get up at 4 in the morning, pray first thing in the morning, thank the Lord for the day, thank you, Lord Jesus. And after you pray, head to the gym. So when you work on the betterment of yourself mentally, entrepreneurially, and physically, why does somebody have to come over here now cutting grass? You're making a lot of noise. Take that mess somewhere else, that doohickey. When you get organized and you start, getting yourself together, then it will reflect in your content posting consistency, and therefore your search engine rankings will improve, as well as your ad revenue. Digital nomads also inspire others to become better. They're not people who, make $1 million and floss on the little people. A true digital nomad will say, hey, I became a millionaire. Let me show you how you can do this too and bring out the best in yourself. A mature digital nomad, now listen to me carefully, a mature digital nomad will not get on the internet and start flashing wads of money. That is so immature. A mature digital nomad does not get on the internet and show off cars, houses, and they definitely don't make consistent YouTube videos showing you the inside of their house. That's, when you do things like that as an immature digital nomad, you open the floodgates to jealous and envious people. Jealous, envious, and covetous people. And that's not good. So if you are currently a digital nomad who's an online millionaire, you're probably watching this. This goes for you too, because I know a lot of you, I see a couple of you online millionaires, you're showing off for not Ferraris, Lamborghinis. What's that Lamborghini? Huracan. You're showing off Lamborghinis and you're flossing money and stuff. That's not good, because people get jealous, and jealousy leads to other things. So if you already have it, be humble and don't show off the material things. Because remember, materialism is only of this world, and you really can't take it with you. You can't take it into eternity. In other words, when it's time for you to return to the dust, All of your riches, your cars, your gold, your bank accounts, all of that stuff is left here. So don't make others feel some type of way because you have it and they don't. Show them how they can get it too. And when you do things right, the right way, the mature way, your business, your side hustle will benefit. So that's pretty much it on what a digital nomad is. And lastly, a digital nomad does not quit in the face of adversity, whether it's people turning on them, whether it's family members, people they have to look at on a certain day of the week, whatever the case is. Digital nomads are not quitters because they know that building a business is also a test of their personal faith. All right, folks, thank you so much for your time watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. In my next video, I am going to rehash a previous video where I had discussed the importance of taking Listerine with you to affiliate marketing / networking events. All right, this is Sean again with Side Hustle Inspiration, where I inspire good working class people to change the history of the human thought process and going from employee to entrepreneur. Thank you for watching. Peace.